As a business owner in Washington, creating a comfortable, energy-efficient, and attractive space is crucial to both your operations and your customers' experience. One of the most effective ways to achieve this is by upgrading or installing new commercial windows. Commercial window installation offers a host of benefits that can improve the functionality, aesthetics, and energy efficiency of your business, while also providing long-term savings. In this article, we'll explore the top benefits of commercial window installation for businesses in Washington, including enhanced curb appeal, improved energy efficiency, and greater security. Enhancing curb appeal and attracting customers. The exterior of your business is the first thing potential customers see when they approach your building. Commercial windows are a key part of your curb appeal, and upgrading them can significantly improve the look of your building. Modern design. New commercial windows, such as floor-to-ceiling windows or energy-efficient glass, provide a sleek and modern appearance that can attract more customers. Large windows allow people to view your interior from the outside, which can be particularly beneficial for retail businesses, restaurants, or offices that want to showcase their products or services. Increased visibility. Installing large windows also increases visibility into your space, making it feel more open and inviting. A well-lit, airy interior creates a positive impression, and customers are more likely to enter a space that feels open and welcoming. Brand image. Whether you're looking to give your building a contemporary makeover or maintain a classic look, there are various styles and materials available for commercial windows that can align with your brand identity. For example, a retail store might choose windows that allow for product displays, while a law firm might opt for windows with a more traditional look to convey professionalism and trust. By investing in commercial window installation, you can create an attractive and welcoming environment that draws customers in. Improved energy efficiency and reduced utility bills. One of the most significant advantages of commercial window installation is the energy efficiency it brings. Old or single-pane windows can allow drafts to enter your business, causing your heating and cooling systems to work harder and increasing your energy consumption. This leads to higher utility bills and an uncomfortable working environment. Double or triple pane glass. Modern double or triple pane windows with low E coatings are designed to reduce heat transfer, helping to keep your business cooler in the summer and warmer in the winter. These windows are filled with an insulating gas, such as argon, which provides better thermal resistance. Energy savings. By upgrading to energy-efficient windows, businesses can save a significant amount on their monthly energy bills. Additionally, many energy-efficient windows help reduce reliance on artificial lighting by allowing more natural sunlight into the building, further reducing electricity costs. Environmental benefits. Installing energy-efficient windows reduces your business's carbon footprint, making your company more environmentally friendly. With consumers becoming more eco-conscious, adopting sustainable practices can enhance your brand's reputation and appeal to a broader customer base. Better comfort and indoor environment. For both employees and customers, the indoor comfort of your business is essential to creating a positive experience. Poor insulation from old windows can result in hot spots, cold drafts, and an uncomfortable indoor environment. Temperature regulation. Energy-efficient windows help maintain a consistent indoor temperature by reducing the amount of heat lost or gained through the glass. Whether your business is in the middle of Washington's hot summer or experiencing a chilly winter day, modern windows ensure that your HVAC system doesn't have to work overtime to maintain a comfortable temperature. Less glare and UV protection. Low E windows can also reduce the amount of UV radiation that enters your space, which helps protect your employees, customers, and products from harmful UV rays. This reduces glare, allowing natural light to brighten your space without causing discomfort or damage to furnishings and artwork. By investing in high-quality windows, you'll provide a comfortable and pleasant environment for both your employees and customers, which can improve productivity and overall satisfaction. Enhanced security and safety. Security is a top priority for any business owner, and commercial windows are one of the first lines of defense against break-ins and vandalism. Impact-resistant glass. One of the most significant advancements in commercial window installation is the option for impact-resistant or laminated glass. These windows are designed to withstand forceful impacts, such as attempts to break the glass or damage the frame. Impact-resistant glass prevents windows from shattering, providing better protection against both break-ins and severe weather. Reinforced window frames. Many commercial windows come with reinforced frames, which make it more difficult for intruders to gain access. These frames are made from durable materials such as aluminum or steel, providing additional security to your property. Improved safety. Safety is equally important for employees and customers. Installing safety glass or tempered glass can reduce the risk of injury in the event of accidental breakage. This type of glass is designed to break into small, rounded pieces instead of sharp shards, reducing the potential for cuts and other injuries. Increased property value. When you invest in commercial window installation, you are not only enhancing your business's functionality but also improving its value. Upgrading to modern, energy-efficient windows can increase the market value of your property, which is particularly beneficial if you plan to sell or lease your building in the future. Attractive to buyers and tenants. Commercial properties with updated windows and modern features are more appealing to potential buyers or tenants. These properties are often viewed as more cost-effective and sustainable, making them attractive in a competitive market. Return on investment, ROI. Commercial window installation offers a high ROI because of the long-term benefits, including energy savings, enhanced comfort, and increased property value. This makes it a smart investment for business owners who are looking to improve their building's performance and appeal. Conclusion. Commercial window installation in Washington offers a wide range of benefits for business owners, from improving curb appeal and energy efficiency to enhancing security and property value. By upgrading your windows, you create a more comfortable and attractive environment for both employees and customers, which can lead to improved productivity and customer satisfaction. Investing in high-quality, energy-efficient windows is not just an aesthetic choice. It's a smart business decision that pays off in the long run through energy savings, increased property value, and enhanced security. If you're ready to make your business more energy efficient, secure, and attractive, professional commercial window installation is the way to go.